Hello guys, today I'm going to be building a battery level indicator, and also I'm going to be showing how to build a screen display of battery level for it also. So let's get started. So welcome back again. So all we need for this project is not that much, it's just a 4 LED, a 4 1K resistor, and a board for soldering. So we're going to be soldering all this LED in series. So I'm going to leave a diagram of this later in this video, so stay tuned to the end. Okay guys, I'm done with that. So this is the pack, the casing that we are going to be using for the battery level indicator. And what I used here was a CD player, an old CD player, and also I took out this stuff out from the old multimeter, and this is what we are going to be using as the probes to test our battery level. So this port here rated V is going to be connected to the positive side of the battery level indicator. So I'm going to be soldering that to the positive side of the LED. And the COM jack is going to be connected to the end point of the resistor. This is the screen I'm going to be using. I took this screen out from an old mobile phone, and it's what we're going to be using for the display of the level of the battery. Okay, guys, we are going to be testing a 9-volt battery to see the level of this battery on the screen. Wow, you can see that it's showing us two level, just two. So let's test another battery. Okay, let's finish this up first. You can see that again there's two levels displayed on the screen. I think that's nice. So we're going to be testing this other battery. This is a 3.7-volt battery, so we're going to see how many bars it's going to show us. Let's see. Oh, just one, and it's very low. Wow. So let's go on and finish this project. Oh, okay, guys. So we are going to be seeing an outcome of two double 9-volt battery. Remember when we tested one 9-volt battery, it was only 2 bar or 2 level. So we are going to be seeing these levels of these two 9-volt battery. Let's see. Wow, 4 levels. Oh my goodness. Wow, if you really love this project, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to leave a comment down, and also keep your notification button on so that you won't miss new content next week. So let's test another battery. Oh, this project is very nice. Wow.